Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the quiz number 14. Okay, let's start from the literature. The literature use one word to bring out the meaning of the following sentences with the help of the words given in the box. We are going to find the meaning of the sentences and the answers are given in the boxes. We are going to pick out the correct answer from the box. Okay, the first question is to learn by heart. We learn by the heart is the memorize. Some memories. We had some memories, the memorize. Loss of memory is an amnesia. Amnesia is a disease. இப்போ நம்ம ஏதாட்டும் suppose we forgot something means the others will ask to us what will happen to you? Are you suffer amnesia? கேட்பாங்கல்ல நீ என்ன amnesiaவா உனக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்பாங்கல்ல. So is a disease. Is that loss of memory. To separate the husk from the grain is that winnow. Delicate piece is that fragile. Exclusive right to sell or buy the commodity is that monopoly. He walks with an effort is a limps. It gives access to every room in the organization is a master key. Master key is a key, it accesses the every room. A student who stays away from class without permission is a truant. Without the teacher's permission, the students staying away the class, they are the truant. And then the second session is that mathematics and the science. The master following the first one. Conversion of mechanical energy to sound energy. The answer is plucking a sitar string. While you're plucking the sitar string, it will convert to that sound energy. The sitar is a musical instrument. You know that while you pluck that string, the string will give some sound. This is sound energy. Light energy converted into chemical energy. The light energy is that we get the light from the sun and it converted into the chemical energy. It gives some chemical. It reacts some chemical reaction to the plant is a photosynthesis. Chemical energy converted into heat energy is that burning of coal. While you burn the coal, the chemical energy is converted into the heat energy. The coal is a chemical, it is converted to the heat. Okay. The second session is that take the right choice, the max. The number which is not a perfect square is 168. Answer is 168. How we find the answer is 168? You should learn that number perfect square numbers from 1 to 20. Afterwards only you know this answer. While you square the 13, the answer is 169. Then the 25 is that 625. Then we will not get that square for 168. So the 168 is not the perfect square. Okay, the second sum is that 30 square will be equal to dash. The 30 square, while you multiply the 30 into 30, you will get the answer is 900. The square of minus 8 is minus 8 into 8 is 64. You know that multiplication table. The minus 8 into minus 8 is also that 64. The minus into minus symbol, it converted to the plus. Okay. Now we are going to see the social studies. The social studies, the master following. The master following, first we are going to find the forest with its description. The first one is the mangrove forest. The mangrove forest is the tropical trees, barks of which are used in medicine. And a mangrove forest is located in the small floating water. And evergreen forest, the evergreen forest is the green leaves right round the year. In our country, Andaman and Nicobar and Odisha, in these places evergreen forests are there. And then deciduous forest, it is the broad-leaved forest. And then the second session of social studies is that name the capitals of the following countries choosing from the box. The first one, the country is Nigeria. The capital is Lagos. And then second one is the Egypt. Capital is Cairo. Third one is the Argentina. Its capital is Buenos Aires. Okay, in the general knowledge, first one, P.T. Usha. She is famous athletics. She is a famous athletics. And then Dhanraj Pillai. He is a famous hockey player. Leander Paes, tennis. Vishwanathan Anand, chess. Pele, football. Thank you, students.